Friends, welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today, we are going to complete our page 16 and 17 and start reading. Open up your books, page 16. We are done with the A part. Today, we are going to start the B part. You see there is a chart. You have to fill this chart with the words that we have learned in the Words in Vocabulary section. You remember the words and their meaning? Now pause this video and solve this chart. I'm waiting for you. I have solved this chart for you as well. Let us match our answers. What are the name of the animals that we have learned in our Words in Vocabulary section? You're right, they're elephant and tortoise. Things that we feel. You see, scared is already mentioned. Lonely and sad. You're right. Things that we do. Play, sleep, and eat. Now open up your books, page 17. We have already studied about this predicting from pictures in our previous chapter. What do you see in this picture? You're right. My dad and I look at a bicycle. I like the blue bicycle. My dad buys it. I'm very happy. What do you think he or she is talking about in this picture? You're right. I think it's about a happy boy and its bike. Very good. Now there is another picture. I'm going to read out what is written for this picture. Lily is at a playground. She's lonely. She doesn't have a friend to play with. What do you think she's doing, or what do you think she's feeling? I think it's about a lonely girl. Let's start reading. Elliot's new friend. Open up your books, page 18 and 19. I'm just going to tell you about the main characters of this story. Elliot is a sad little elephant. Tootie is a tortoise. Tootie and Elliot becomes friends in the end of the story. This is one interesting story. Now what you have to do is you have to read out page number 10. You have to read out the following two pages for the reading section. Page numbers are 18 and 19. That's all for today.